In this video, we will see if your After Effects is showing color bars, no signal screen, or broken transitions, then don't worry. This is not your laptop's fault and I will fix it in less than 5 minutes. This problem usually happens because it might be due to GPU acceleration issue, it might be due to corrupted cache, it might be due to wrong NVIDIA driver, or any unsupported video codec. So you need to go to File in the left top navigation of the After Effects, and you need to navigate to Project Settings. Once you're right inside under Video Rendering and Effects, you need to change from the GPU acceleration to software only. Next step is you can go to Edit in the top left navigation of the After Effects, and you need to navigate to Preferences and click on General. Once you're right inside the preferences, you need to go to Media and Disk Cache, and there are two options here. We have the disk cache and the conformed media cache. You need to make sure both of these options are cleared. First of all, let us click on empty disk cache, click on OK, and then you need to click on clean database and cache. The third solution is NVIDIA Studio driver. First of all, you need to close your After Effects completely. Then you need to go to search bar of your Windows and you need to search for NVIDIA. Once you type NVIDIA, you will see the NVIDIA app. You need to click on this. Once you're right inside the NVIDIA app, in the left navigation, you need to click on drivers. Once you're right inside the drivers, you need to make sure you select the Studio driver from this drop down. If you have a Studio driver installed, it is recommended by the After Effects and your color bars issue will be resolved. But if you don't have the Studio driver, you need to make sure you have the Studio driver. But if you don't, you can go with the game ready driver. That is fine too, but I recommend to go with Studio driver. And after applying all these settings, you need to restart your PC and then you can log in again. And let us go right inside the After Effects and see if the issue is resolved or not. And as you can see, after applying all these recommended settings, I can see my video again and there are no colored bar or distortion in my videos. But still, if you face any issues, there is one last method that you can use, but for that you need Adobe Media Encoder. First of all, let us go to the search bar and let us go to the Media Encoder. Once you type Media Encoder, you need to click on the Media Encoder that you have in your PC, and once you are right inside, make sure you select the video that is causing an issue. You can double click on this area. You need to select the file and import it inside the Media Encoder. Once you import the video inside the media encoder, make sure you select this drop down and select H.264 codec, and in the next drop down you need to make sure you select match source high bitrate. This is the downloads directory where it will be exported. So once you're done, you need to click on this green icon that is start queue. Once you click on this, it will start encoding the video and your video will be successfully imported in the After Effects. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. I will try my best to respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.